Good afternoon. I just want to say to my niece, Marilyn Ledesma Vasquez, for giving me the present coming from Dubai. Necklace, sunglass, bag. This bag is very nice. And clothes. I really like it. Very beautiful, especially the necklace. Very, very nice. This one. Thank you, Ning. And also the sunglass is really nice. And the bag. Thank you, Ning. I'm from Dubai. Yeah, I really, really like it. Okay, bye. Thank you.